Just kick back, reading a book in my Four Winds Sprinter 24 LV. Find the good. We are gonna find the great in this little 25-foot, 10-inch Mercedes Sprinter RV. Great feature number one. Love this. Twin to king. You can see I was comfortable. I mean, I was really comfortable. I could go to sleep before Tom hit record on the camera. Comfortable back here. That's in the twin configuration. You can slide this, move it up. Now you have wall to wall. Lots of storage back here. A number of drawers. Look at that. Cabinets up above. Vent fan back here. Fully ducted AC unit. 15,000 BTU AC. That cold is pouring out of here and it's quiet. That's what's great about having the AC up where it is right now, midship. So right back here, you just feel the nice cold air coming out. Closet on each side, so store all your goodies there. You have TV prep back here, push button reading lights right here, little places to store your phone, 110 USB-A, USB-C. It's its own little getaway. You have this accordion door right here. You can just pull that out and block that off, not only for privacy in your little lounge, but here's another great little feature, finding the great. Split bath, right? So you have that accordion door pulled. Now you have this entire area, whether you're gonna step in the shower here, that shower's on a wand, you have a skylight, or you know, you're grabbing a towel off the hook here, having a seat, sink, medicine cabinet, Suburban tankless water heater on board. So when you are at camp, endless hot water. Plus, there are some nice safety features built in to that Suburban. So in the event it senses a fault, it will actually shut off the gas for you. But you're gonna want that gas on when you are right here making your seared scallops with butternut squash puree on your 2-burner gas cooktop. All right, so cooking there. Cooking right down here in your microwave. And cold drinks right here. This is a cool little option. If you need a little more space than what you have over there in that 12-volt fridge, right here, just a nice little bottom fridge. I think that's really cool. That's awesome. As we work our way up into this gorgeous 2-tone cabinet, this is Nantucket Blue with the Hampton Collection. Beautiful, right? Looks great. This is the only slide on the 24 LV. Right now we are set up for breakfast in the theater seat. So you're gonna have seat belts in here for 4 total. So 2 here in the driver and passenger seat, and then sleeping for 3. Gonna get 2 in the twin to king bed, and then 1 in the over the cab bunk. But you're gonna sit here and eat one of the most addictive cereals ever, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Comes in at number 2 on Steve's most addictive cereal list. Number 1, double chocolate crave. Oh man, I can eat a whole box in a sitting. And then I climb up here and I take a wonderful nap. Let's take a look at this dash here. This is all Mercedes all the time. Updated steering wheel, I think that's a great look. And notice on the controls, on the thumb pads there, that's a little updated, still works the same, but you have adaptive cruise control. You can scrub through maintenance reminders and all the things you need to. Heated remote power seats, passenger and driver. You have a touch screen that is voice activated, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Now, you are gonna need to take and flip this up right here. Great Mercedes safety feature. You plug in here, and then you put your phone on the wireless charger there, and then that will charge, and then it will also connect to here, and you have the password for your wine garden, all of that. A lot of storage up here, a lot of cup holders. Really everything you need inside, including controls for your 100 watts of solar, controls for your auto gen start, 4,000 watt propane generator, and this is optioned with the one-touch leveling jack. So hydraulic levelers on here, that's an option. Control panel right here in the door as well. So everything laid out conveniently for you to use your 24 LV. Want to take you on a quick spin outside. We're going to start right up top with that awning. Going to control that from your control switches there. We have the lights on underneath, so put that out. Nice shade. This is our Raven Edition paint. That is pretty awesome looking, isn't it? Nice and shiny and reflective. Very cool looking. As we get down here, nice storage bay. Nice, large, right next to your pet tie down. So it's a camp leash for your dogs, but it's also really handy. You know, you bring your bikes along or whatever it is, just, you know, lock them up right there. They're gonna stay safe for you. Rotocast material in our storage bays. There's a drain in the back, so you can just throw all the wet gear in here, hose it out. It's not gonna mold, not gonna mildew, not gonna stink. As we work our way down this beautiful vacuum bonded and laminated sidewall here, and we do that for the roof and the walls and the floor. This is gonna have aluminum cage construction. You're gonna have black foam insulation. And what's great is the way that this is upfitted is when we get it in, it's just a couple of straight rails. And then the experts at MORride team up with our engineers and we put steel beams from wall to wall. It builds a nice, solid, flat, level house. This thing is rock solid. Right here, a little exterior hose. Whatever you need to hose off, you can do it. If you need more solar, you can plug some panels right into here. We have a port for that. If you need to plug in a TV for tailgating, use it for storage, or it's all prepped for TV. You have a plug up here, you have a cable outlet, so you can use this multi-purpose. And then maybe you want to cook. Exterior propane connection. I think that's really handy to have. So it's a grill, it's a griddle, it's a portable campfire, whatever you need, you can plug right into there. And then in here, maybe you're going to use this as a mobile office. Well, Tom and I brought along all of our file folders so we can do all of our work in this 24LV. Pretty cool, right? Tons of room in here. Tread plate. Nice little rack you can mount stuff on. You even have a GFCI 110 back there. 5,000 pound hitch, steel bumper. I'm telling you, it is a great way to travel in a very safe, easy to drive Mercedes-Benz package. This is the 2026 4-inch 24LV, and you can build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.